Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lom So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Rengkat lang bat ka perthai barok kawai ka Jilla Meghalaya ha ka shitarik unok pra arajar arpho kala rakhi ya ka World AIDS Day kum shibenta ban ai mensim bat ban ai ka jingkershan yiki briu ki balangat ha ka jingpang HIV ne ya ka bangi ong ka jingpang niang kuliah ha ka jingrekhe ka balalong hanong ba Shillong ya ka bala penlong da ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society lakin ma buromru ya ki nongshong shnong jong ka Jilla ki bala do e yala ka jingim hadin bakilangat hakani ka jingpang hakani ka sngi layadon langru u commissioner and secretary jong ka tanat ka kot ka khia u balongru u president jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society u Sampat Kumar u balong kumukongsan harengkat ka jingyadon lang jong ki nongtrei naga tanat ka kot ka khia bat kiwei
Fate of a dignified human life cannot be compromised. So that is why human behavior towards those people who are infected is also being regulated by law. And what is the area? Where was the call for the state to interfere and regulate our behavior or the societal behavior towards these people who are infected, or what we call, as defined under the Act, infected person? It was long felt need is that because of our ignorance, we started distancing ourselves. Distancing is a very diplomatic word, a very nice word. But our distancing had the flavor of a discrimination. So each time we had our interface with those people who were infected was colored with discrimination. It was because we did not understand. And this discrimination percolated so deep that the pain of being infected by the virus was much more than being stigmatized by the people with whom they were living. And that is why we have this act.
You rightly pointed out a very important point that not even a single person has sought relief from the particular act which has been enacted in 2017. I think this is really required to be taken note of it, and we really have to give this legal support that is there for the HIV patients, and who can actually use that against any discrimination which they might be facing. So having these are very good observations, I think very good points that have been made by everyone. So I would like to tell on behalf of the state government a few things I would like to share to thoughts about the AIDS and HIV. We have been, if you look at Meghalaya as a state, we are now currently, I think, we are the fifth state in terms of the ranking. We are the fifth state which has got the number of HIV cases. That means like we are one of those priority states in terms of this particular issue. So that's one point. Another is that we also have the another important data point is that we are also found with highest number of syphilis cases, among the pregnant women. So percentage wise. So that's also again a cause of concern. So that's again another two things why actually we really need to bring a lot of education, a lot of awareness, a lot of steps to really address this particular issue. So that's one point. So taking this and also we have been witnessing like all other states with COVID pandemic.